guys, today we're going to make a simple seasoned salad. And I'm going to use this Veggie Lovers Fresh Express blend. It's non-GMO, healthy, and it's got vitamins A, C, and K in it. And the first thing you want to do after you cut open the bag is dump out your salad mix. Just dump it out in bowls. And then keep the bag and use it to throw away the bad pieces of the lettuce that you need to pick out. Because you will find some, and you definitely don't want to bite into a bad piece of lettuce. So make sure you look through all your lettuce and take out the bad ones. And just kind of reuse this bag as a trash bag for it. You could also probably use it for compost. And just make sure you really pick all those out first. It's probably the most time consuming part, but it's definitely important. So that one looks pretty good. And then, yeah, go through both of them. And you can always add more or less lettuce once you go through all this to each bowl. And you can kind of tell some of these are kind of almost like a translucent. Those ones you definitely want to throw away those. And that one looks pretty good. Maybe add a little more over here. It's got a lot of carrots. Maybe add some more over here. Maybe a little more lettuce in this one. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I'm going to throw that away. And then I already cleaned off the avocado with a veggie brush. So now I'm going to cut the avocado. I like to use a Santoku knife, and I just cut it right in the middle, all the way, and I move the avocado as I'm cutting around. And then I twist it. You have two nice halves. And to get the avocado seed out, you just kind of push your knife into it. And it should pop right out. And then you can scrape that off. Trash can. And obviously, wash your knife off and dry it off again. And then you're going to cut this into slices like that. Obviously have it on your cutting board. And then you're going to scoop under it with your knife all the way around this. Gonna go like that. I'm gonna kind of get behind the whole thing where it'll pop out. And then you can kind of just push it out. It should come out really nice like that. And then you're gonna cut your avocado up. So you're gonna just kind of cut, 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 cut. Just cut it up in pieces. Cut it smaller if you like, however small you want them. And then you just kind of add that to your salads. I do half avocado for each salad. These are nice big salads, so they're pretty filling. They're great for like a dinner or maybe a lunch. Just especially when you need like a boost. Salads are a great way to boost your energy up. And then if you get some pieces that look a little brown with the avocado, you're gonna wanna kind of shave those parts off. You can reuse the shell of the avocado, the skin, kind of like a garbage can, and just put all the pieces you don't want back in there to throw away. And you just kind of check it, because sometimes it does they get kind of brown. You want to make sure you don't put those in your salad. And then the bad ones you can just throw away. And what I do is, unless you want to get a new cutting board, you can rinse off the one you have and your knife. Okay. Kind of just shake it off, and then I re-dry off my knife especially, and then I use the sweet grape tomatoes. These are non-GMO, Signature Select brand. I got them at Safeway, and then I use about a half a container for 2 nice size salads, and then I grab them and I rinse them off. Just grab a little handful. And then start cutting them. Be careful when you cut these. You almost want to break the skin first before you cut it, so you don't cut yourself. And then I just kind of cut them into little chunks like that, and just kind of add it to my salad. Just be careful cutting. The knife can definitely slip with these. If you guys have a favorite salad, I would like to hear what it is, and you can just comment down below and let me know. And maybe I can do a video of it sometime. I really like when salads are seasoned good. They're not just, you know, salad and dressing, but they actually add really good seasoning, which is what I'm going to do with this salad. Just makes it taste better to me. I'm going to rinse the last of the tomatoes. And you can cut tomatoes smaller than this if you'd like it smaller too. I just like little slices of them. They're already small tomatoes, so it's fine to me. But you could cut it in half if you wanted, half of what I'm doing. Some people like to stick like the whole tomato in it. Since these are small. And then I'm going to show you guys the seasonings I use on this next. Kind of bump up the flavor of the salad. Almost done cutting these tomatoes. What's cool about salads is you can add all kinds of different toppings and stuff to make it taste better, or just to create different versions. There's so many different salads out there that you can make. that tastes good that you'll actually want to eat. And then I take my cutting board and rinse it off. Get it out of the way. And then kind of make sure your area you're working in is clean. Now we have these tomatoes in our salad. We're going to add some seasoning. And the seasoning I like to use is just garlic salt, lemon and pepper seasoning, and I like onion powder. Just those three. Simple, easy. Most people have stuff like this in their house anyways. Lemon peppers, easy. These are all cheap, easy to get. And then I just kind of lightly sprinkle it on over it. You can do that with both. And be careful with the garlic salt because it's pretty strong. Just kind of lightly go over it. You don't want to put it on heavy, because once you put seasonings in, you can't take them out, so you want to make sure you don't overdo it. Okay, and then once those are seasoned, I don't know if you can see the seasoning in it a little bit, then I'm going to add cheese. I usually use like a Mexican cheese, but any kind of mixed cheeses are pretty good, these shredded kind. This is just a mixture of 3 different cheddars, triple cheddar, and I kind of just sprinkle it on. And that is it. You have simple, easy, yummy, seasoned salad. And you can add your dressing at this point. You can add it over it. You can mix it in with it. I usually just drizzle it over it and eat it. It's good. I hope you guys liked my video. Follow me if you haven't yet. Comment down below what you thought of the video, what your favorite salad is. And give me some likes and some views. Have a great day.